Good morning, members. Next case study is case study number 150. This case study in the series is very easy, copy pasted from CA final materials, but asked recently to many members. As I always say during the classes, that these type of case studies can be there, even the new ones in the exam for the very first time also. You should be mentally prepared for these type of questions, because if you see that only the questions or case studies that we have practiced in the class, that should only be there in the exams, and with that attitude, if we set an exam, even if one small change will be there, you might not be able to attend that case study or solve that case study in the exam. You should sit with a mental attitude that whatever the concept that you have studied as per the syllabus, if you have done 100% syllabus, the question should be from then and there only. You have to apply sometimes your mind, that is a general idea about the concepts. Why I'm saying so much, because this type of case study, when we are not able to attempt in the exam, and when I will solve that case study, you might think that what was that in the exam, or what was that in this case study. Even one liner questions are there, right? So attempt these type of questions in exam based on your basic knowledge, even if a new question you will get in the exam. Now I'm showing you the question on your screen, and I request you all to read the question on your own. Please pause the video here, read the question on your own, and try to find the answers for two of the questions, that is this, or first part. First of all, if the return for this year is 29%, compute the total fee payable to Mr. Yash, right? And accordingly, if the return is something 5% or 0% or something like that was there, right? Try to solve the question on your own. If you're able to get it, great. If you're not able to get it, then play this video, right? Now I'm solving it. Delta hedge fund, a hedge fund currently manages assets worth rupees 20 crore. Mr. Yash, the fund manager, charges a fixed management fees of 0.10% of portfolio assets annually. So, what are the portfolio assets that this fund is managing? 20 crore. So, what is its fixed management fees? What is its fixed fees? 0.10% of the same. So, 20 crore ka 0.10% will be 20 crores, that is 200 lakhs into 0.10%. That is how much it will be? 2 lakh rupees, right? So it will be fixed fee of 2 lakh rupees. This is charging. Now, next part. Additionally, now this line only, this question is not of finance, this question is of English basic language, right? Additionally, he earns an incentive fees, just like the employees do get normal fixed salary and some incentive. What is his incentive? 2% on the returns above the highest NAV the fund has ever achieved since its launch. The question is saying, let's suppose the fund has achieved, let's suppose this is the highest NAV, a particular line. This is the line of highest NAV. So if Mr. Yash will do his efforts, and whatever the extra it will reach to that highest NAV, of that additional amount, of that additional value, he will get 2%. So this is the question saying. Now we have to find out that with respect to the highest value achieved till now, how much extra the fund manager have reached that portfolio. The question is saying the fund has launched about 1.5 years ago, and the maximum portfolio value so far is 21 crore. So this line for us is 21 CR, right? So now question is saying, if the return for this year is 29%, compute the total fee payable to Mr. Yash. So return is 29%. So 20 crore of assets plus 29% return we have achieved. So how much the total portfolio value? 20 plus 29%. That is 25.8 crore. So how much is the difference on which he is going to get some incentive? The difference is 4.80 CR. And on that, how much percentage he is going to get? 2%. So here his incentive will be minus 21 into 2%. 9,60,000. And what was the fixed remuneration? 2 lakh. So what was his total salary? 11,60,000. This question as it is was asked in CA final exams. This question as it is being asked in the RV exam recently. So very easy, but yes, if you see this for the very first time, sometimes you might not be able to answer it correctly. Right? If the fund generates a return of 4.5%, now the same question but with different data. 21 crore we have reached earlier. In this year, we have reached to 20 plus how much return? 4.5%. So how much? 20 plus 4.5%. 20.9 crores of value. So have we reached more than that? The answer is how much is the additional value? 0 into 2% is the incentive. That is 0 and fixed fee is 2 lakh rupees. How much will the total remuneration to him? Will be 2 lakh rupees. And third, in the current year, the fund delivers a return of negative 1.8%. So it is obviously not more than 21 crore. So again, his fixed fee will be 2 lakh rupees, but no additional incentive he is going to get. Now, this type of questions are, if you have practiced this question now, are totally new questions, but very, very easy, I must say. You must try to attempt these type of questions in the exam, right? So next case studies will be there very soon. Be prepared for that. Prepare well for the exam. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.